Hi, I am a conservationist and I am for the building of aquaculture farming. There's many methods to aquaculture that we could go into. There's the extensive or intensive in natural settings or tanks, and then freshwater or seawater, which obviously with us being along the ocean coast, it would be a seawater. So there's flow through or recirculation systems, and that would help diminish the release of pollutants and harmful bacteria caused by the farming of the fish. And we do have sheltered or exposed farming buildings that we could also look into. I believe that aquaculture is important because it provides high quality, healthy food for many people's dinners, and we can produce fish like trout and catfish, and that helps not only put food on the table, but it also helps stock lakes and ponds for recreational fishing. And some shellfish, like clams, oysters, and mussels, actually help clean the water, and those can be farmed as well, and we can use those to be released, and those can actually help clean natural surrounding water as well. With building these, we are recirculating aquaculture systems, and that'll help require significantly less water than that of ponds or raceways. And we can actually put these in more locations and are more intensive. So producing year-round, we're more environmentally compatible and expandable. So as a conservationist, I am actually for building these aquaculture farms. Thank you.